In this lecture, you will learn about few conic commands like ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. First, select ellipse, select first point, drag the mouse to give some length, select second point, now give some width and select third point. Again select ellipse, select first point, second point and select third point. So this is the ellipse command. Delete this sketch. The next option is parabola. Select first point, select second point, then drag the mouse to select a third point. Now form a parabola and left click to end. Again select parabola, first point, second point, third point. Form a parabola and left click to end. Delete these sketch. Next option is hyperbola. Select first point, second point, third point, then drag a mouse to select fourth point. Now form a hyperbola and left click to end. Next option is conic. Select first point, second point, now select another second point. This will create a conic between these 2 points. Now left click to end. Again select conic, draw 2 lines and you can see the conic. Left click to end. So this was the basic intro of conic in Catia.